Go deep and clear back. Okay. Back there. You guys.
Yeah, got it.
Go clear behind.
Here, we're gonna walk this way. Yeah, I got it. Rear's clear.
Listen, clearly. Hey, look at me.
Hold here.
Hey, you're gonna come out of that window, okay? Hey, listen to me.
I got taser.
You're gonna come out of that window, and you're gonna come over here and you're gonna get on the ground. Come out of the window, right now. Hands first. Hands first. Here, here, here. You really don't want to get bit by the dog, right?
What did I do?
Come out of the window.
Well, we'll talk about that. You need to come outside.
Okay, did I do something?
Come out of the window.
Okay.
Come out. It's not the time to play around. Okay. Come on out, buddy.
Did I do something?
Come on out. I'll explain to you when we're done. Now's not the time. Put your hands up. Come here. Come out.
Out and on the ground.
Right here on the ground. Come here.
Did I get the dog out of it?
No. Come here.
What did I do?
Come here. Right here. On the ground. Right here. That way. Don't run. Come here. Right here. On the ground.
Yeah, we're trying to get
Hey, I'm still here, right?
Yeah. Come down here.
on the ground.
What did I do?
Come here. Hey,
Giving commands to one occupant.
do not run. Get on the ground.
On the ground.
Go to your right.
I'm not even running.
Right here. On the ground.
Go to your right.
Hey, come here.
On the ground. On the ground now.
I got it. I got it.
Get on the ground. Right here.
On the ground.
Just move up and take it. Come here. What's the one? Confirm the one.
10-8-5-1.
Hey, you're not. No.
Stop. Stop.
Taser.
Watch it, watch it. Watch your crossfire, watch your crossfire.
Tapui! Tapui, can you come around?
Watch it, he's gonna come right towards us.
Tapui, come around.
Watch it, watch it.
Come around, you're not in a crossfire.
I'm gonna bring my car in.
Okay.
Watch it, watch it. Watch out.
Stop!
If he comes towards us, we're going.
Stop!
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Shots fired. I got you, I got you. I got you, come here. Okay, come here. Shots fired.
Watch out. Help me.
I'm here.
You alright?
Yeah. We need to get
fire EMS en route.
William 1. Shots fired. We need